You just left school, and now you're seeking direction. Low on experience, scared of the knockbacks and the rejection. Figuring it out, still trying to find your profession. Well, look no further, I think I have the suggestion. Make UK, they can answer your questions. The best of both worlds, if only I had one sentence. So if you really want to learn and earn, I suggest that you pay attention, yeah? I said if you want to learn and earn, I suggest that you pay attention. Imagine learning whilst earning, good progression, tables turning, gain recognition and respect when you're working. We're offering prosperous journeys, all you gotta do is apply yourself. Don't wait, fill in that application, in a great position you'll find yourself. Show dedication, earn a placement, all you gotta do is be hands-on. Don't worry about sitting in class all day, the task is to gain experience, reach your end goals, find your way, and engineering's in high demand. So you'll definitely find your lane, just stick to the plan and train. Communicate and engage, elevate, take it to the next stage. As you know, the hard work pays. You might be mature, you might seek change, but this opportunity's more than a wage. And you'll meet people on the way with the same interests and the same dedication. Some days won't even feel like work, and that'll be your sign of your greatness. So what you waiting for? It's opportunity time. Go fill out the application online. The prospects are great, the demand is high. All you have to do is apply and try. They say a job's a job when an apprenticeship is an apprenticeship. You can earn what you learn, gain full-time employment, and have a big career at the end of it. They say a job's a job when an apprenticeship is an apprenticeship. You can earn what you learn, gain full-time employment, and have a big career at the end of it. They say a job's a job when an apprenticeship is an apprenticeship. You can earn what you learn, gain full-time employment, and have a big career at the end of it.